Right. Hello friends, welcome to Gardening for Sure. In today's video, we will learn about how to prune golden duranta and make beautiful designs out of it. Friends, golden duranta is a plant which is used to make hedges in our lawn, park and many other landscaping places. It is very easy to propagate golden duranta from cuttings. I will be uploading videos regarding that in my channel in the coming days. Many nurserymen make very good designs out of golden duranta and sell them at very good price. Now I am going to tell you how to prune it. First we have to see its bottom and make very good stem. A thick stem in the plant will be beneficial to us in terms of its strength and its beauty. I am pruning all the bottom branches which are side branches so that it gets cleaner from the bottom. After that, we have to prune the top and the middle layer of branches. We have to prune each and every branch so that new shoots come out of those branches. When the new branches will come out of it, they will be of yellow color and golden color. See how I am doing in the video. I am pruning all the side branches because we want to get a good stem. Many reptiles and other animals come to our house and hide in between these shrubs. So if the bottom is very clean, then it will be better. During the rainy season and during the humidity, many reptiles like snakes, like scorpion and other reptiles come and stay below this. So it may harm humans. So if we are making a garden or if we are making a lawn, we should consider these points to be very necessary. Now talking about the fertilizer of this plant, since this plant is not edible and we don't have to take anything in use for eating, we can use vermicompost, we can use cow dung compost, or we can use 1 teaspoon or 2 teaspoon of DAP and urea also. It will give nitrogen to this plant and new shoots and the new leaves will come very soon. Now the monsoon season has come and I am going to make many cuttings out of it and I am going to grow many new plants. I have a Facebook page named Gardening for Sure. There you can see posts related to gardening, videos related to gardening, and you can buy many stuffs regarding gardening like seeds, bulbs, fertilizer, pots, etc. The details are given in the description. You can also directly WhatsApp me and ask any question and buy stuff from me. We have to prune each and every part of this plant so that it grows from all the sides. That's why I am pruning each and every single branch. Single small branch I am also pruning because it will develop new side growths and the plant will become more bushy. I suggest everyone should buy a cutter or a pruner, link for which is given in the description. You can buy it from Amazon. A pruner will always help you to grow cuttings and many other things regarding gardening. The leftovers cutting which are lying on the ground can be used to propagate this plant. I will be showing all these in my next video which I will be uploading in my YouTube channel in coming days. So friends, I hope you will be waiting for the result. So let's see. This is our final result and an ugly plant has been converted into a beautiful plant. We will be doing its pruning continuously to make different kinds of shapes like ball shape, like triangular shape, like a conical shape. So continue watching my videos and subscribe to my channel.